Hi friends, good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, 23rd of February 2021. The time now is 1 p.m. Yeah, just give you some update about this proposed grass footpath. So apparently I haven't done that because there's a lot of obnoxious weeds on this footpath. So I changed my plan and make it concrete ramp. So actually I already poured concrete on three strips. So I'm doing the fourth strip, which is as you can see now, there's like a paraboard, and also I leave a gap about 200 mil this side for bok choy or pechay. So all the way through there's a gap of 20 mil at 200 mil from this board. So I'll just spend some sort of money to buy the materials, but in the end it's easy for me to maintain. So the total strips uh, for this concrete ramp is 13 strips. So I've done already 3, so there are 10 more strips to finish all up. So I started this one. I pour concrete on the first strip on 18th of February 2021, just 5 days ago. Yeah, there's no much that much complicated on this job, just putting formworks and pour concrete. So, and also I transfer some of this pechay from this side to this concrete ramp. As you can see, all the pechay or bok choy is really congested, so that's why I'm gonna transfer some of them. Yeah. So I transferred this yesterday. That's why I still have some cover in it. So it looks okay now because the leaves already standing by itself. And this one as well. I transferred this yesterday. Now it's okay. Again, it's standing by itself. And also this, we'll see this one. Yeah, it's standing by itself now. And this last, yeah, okay, all good. So some of this pechay or bok choy, I'll take some of them to make more space, and it will grow beautifully. Alright, to my subscribers, viewers, I hope you like my short presentation about this progress of a concrete ramp instead of a grass footpath. Yeah, as you can see, there's still a lot of obnoxious weeds, which is this one here, this one, and I'm having difficulty to dig the route because there's a roots penetrated underneath. So that's why I decided to do it as make it as a concrete ramp all the way through the top. Yeah, I want to show you some of my plants. So my lemongrass is growing beautifully, and I have few spring onion, and I have eggplant here, the eggplant, and I have two Biragor or Ampalaya. And I have there's like insects on its leaves, and this is celery, and there are some few chili. This one here, that's one chili, that one, and that one, and this one. The only problem here, there's some bugs eating the leaves at night, so I have to put some like a granules as a trap for slugs and snails. So there's a lot of flowers coming out from this eggplant. Yeah, and this is the brown butterfly that I need to eradicate as well. I have to spray it with sort of not sort of chemical, but to protect the plants. Yeah, I like this lemongrass. It grows beautifully, although it looks like a bush, but it's very useful when I do cooking. Yeah. So when the sorry. So when this concrete footpath or ramp is, so it's too easy to come here on this small plants gazebo. Yeah. Yeah. And also this area here, I plan to pour concrete as well, because as you can see, there's a lot of obnoxious weeds as well. Yeah. Alright, to my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, I hope you like the update of this supposedly grass footpath. But again, it's too difficult for me because a lot of obnoxious weeds that I can't control. So instead of grass footpath, I'll turn it to concrete ramp. So it cost me a bit of money, but in the end, it's easy maintenance. No more mowing, no more weeding, and other sort of maintenance in this ramp. So yeah, thank you so much for your time, and please for other people, please subscribe my YouTube channel to support my goal to help the needy children at Children's Fund, Save the Children's Funds rather. Yeah, without your support I can't achieve my goal for them. Thank you so much, and Please be safe and bye for now. Thank you.